Hello there. My name is Melissa Adler and I am HIA's Executive Director, Industrial Relations and Legal Services. And today's webinar is going to talk about managing the pressures on home building. Members have been letting us know about their concerns with the price and availability of building material and trades. Specifically, that the pressure on the availability of labour and price increases across the building supply chain has resulted in significant increases in both cost and construction timeframes. While the extent of the delays and cost increases will vary in each state, HIA is aware that members may be managing difficult circumstances affecting their business, including having to respond to client expectations regarding cost and timeframes. During this webinar, we will consider some of the ways you can respond to these challenging times and unique pressures that may be impacting you, your business, and your clients. Work with your customers to try and explain the current circumstances. To help you explain these current pressures, HIA has developed a consumer information sheet called Why Your House is Taking Longer to Build and Costing More. This information sheet explains to your customers the circumstances currently impacting the industry and asks for patience from your clients in relation to the cost and completion of their home building project. It is important to explain how frustrating the situation is for everyone involved. HIA also has a range of information sheets to help you seek appropriate and valid extensions of time and examine ways through which you may be able to seek a price increase. If you are struggling to pay debts or are concerned about your current financial position, don't ignore the situation. There are some things you can do to support yourself and your business through tough times. For example, do your accounts. Check who owes you money and who you owe money to. Talk to your bank or other financial institution. It is in their best interest to have you continue to do business, so they may offer some options to keep you afloat. Talk to the ATO. Tax bills are one of the biggest business costs, and it is important to remember that GST, for example, isn't your money. Talk to your suppliers. We know prices are rising, so you should consider being on the front foot about when increases may impact your business and any payment options. Get financial help from a qualified insolvency practitioner or financial advisor. Also, the Australian Financial Security Authority may provide some information about your options. There are also federal government small and medium business recovery loans available until the end of June. The scheme is aimed at assisting businesses with a turnover of up to $250 million that have been impacted during COVID-19. Your business may be eligible for a government-backed low-cost bank loan of up to $5 million. Finally, make sure you manage your warranty insurance exposure, which may be impacted by extended construction timeframes. If you have concerns about your warranty limits or exposure, you can speak to HIA Insurance Services. If you are not already, it is important that you are monitoring your supply chains for building materials and labour regularly, if not daily. Many manufacturers and suppliers are unable to give you the certainty you expect and that you have traditionally experienced. HIA's product substitution guide can help you to ensure that if you need to use alternative products, you also continue to meet your statutory requirements related to the building approval. Don't forget that if you are entering into new building contracts, consider how you can take account of ongoing delays and price rises. For example, could you adjust your approach to progress payments? What about considering a cost-plus contract? Options do differ across the country, so check HIA's website for your local requirements. With so much pressure on builders, contractors and customers, it has never been more important to look after your own mental health and to take care of your team. HIA has a range of resources on our website available to assist. So what's next? Never before has Australia seen such high demand for home building, at the same time in every state and territory. It is expected that this activity will continue to put pressure on skilled labour and material shortages, which are being compounded by the global slowdown in the movement of shipping. HIA's economics team are continually monitoring the situation, and as changes occur, HIA will keep you informed. Finally, HIA has developed a toolkit to manage delays and price increases, which includes a range of information that may be of assistance. Thank you for your time, and I hope that has been of some assistance.